When a student starts here at York Preparatory Academy, they begin a 13-year journey. It takes them from learning their very beginning vowel sounds and numbers all the way up until they pursue their dreams. And what we're doing today is kind of the capstone event of that journey to school. It's our Futures in Focus conference where we have people from all over the community and the country coming in to help give these students a taste of what to expect in a career and college world and to help prepare them further.
This year we had about 18 different selections for students to choose from, and they each got to choose 4 different professional presentations based on a variety of topics, based on what they were interested in. Some of them are very career focused, like we had the military here today. We also had the first responders that are focusing on their careers. And then we also have other things like mindfulness and mental health.
I am talking about why today matters, how your decisions today affect access to your dreams in the future.
I just went to Overcoming Challenges and Setbacks with Miss Naomi. One thing I learned was to be more resilient.
We went into self-employment with Craig Grace. When you make a product, you want to make sure that people are going to want it and it's going to be profitable and that it's also something that can grow and develop.
I feel like this helped me a lot with kind of deciding what I want to do in my future because I was kind of all over the place. So I feel like this definitely helped me a lot in deciding what I might want to do for my future.
So after the sessions, kids rotate over for lunch and the keynote speaker.
Filet mignon was actually cooked so wonderfully, and it was actually really cool to be able to have that. I've never had it before, and the first time having it is at a school event.
York Prep welcomed motivational speaker Kacey McCallister, who shared his unique story.
Guys, you are exactly at that point in your life. You are going to feel the fires of affliction. You're going to be hammered with the hammer of experience. Our lives are going to be shaped. Never, ever regret what's happened to you in your life because it has made you the person you've become.
A big thank you and shout out to all of the sponsors who helped us pull this event together. It's a very meaningful piece of what we do here and could not be done without all of our community partners, and we thank them so much.